Meditation is a practice as old as time, a way to connect with our inner selves and find peace. It is a journey inward, where we quiet the mind and open our hearts to the wisdom within. Crystals, with their ancient energy and grounding properties, can be wonderful companions on this journey. They act as amplifiers, enhancing our intentions and deepening our connection to the meditative state. Imagine holding a smooth, cool crystal in your hand as you close your eyes and breathe. The crystal's energy merges with your own, creating a sense of calm and focus. This is the magic of crystal meditation, a harmonious blend of ancient wisdom and personal transformation. As you embark on your crystal meditation journey, remember to approach it with an open mind and a receptive heart. Allow the crystals to guide you, and trust in the wisdom of your own inner being. The world of crystals is vast and wondrous, with each stone carrying its unique energy signature. For beginners, certain crystals are particularly welcoming, offering gentle support and guidance. These crystals are known for their soothing vibrations and their ability to facilitate a deeper connection to the meditative state. Two such crystals are amethyst, a stone of serenity and spiritual connection, and rose quartz, the embodiment of love and emotional healing. These crystals are like gentle friends, guiding you on your meditation journey with their loving and calming energies. Let's delve deeper into the properties of these beginner-friendly crystals and discover how they can enhance your meditation practice. Amethyst, with its captivating purple hues, has long been revered for its calming and transformative properties. It is a stone of serenity, helping to quiet the mind and create a sense of inner peace. Holding an amethyst during meditation can feel like a gentle wave washing over you, carrying away stress and worry. Amethyst is also known as a stone of spiritual connection. It helps to open the third eye chakra, enhancing intuition and promoting a deeper understanding of oneself. Meditating with amethyst can facilitate profound spiritual experiences and connect you to your higher self. Its gentle energy makes it an ideal crystal for beginners, providing a sense of safety and support as you explore the depths of your inner world. Rose quartz, with its soft pink glow, is the stone of unconditional love. It embodies compassion, kindness, and emotional healing. Holding rose quartz during meditation can open your heart, inviting in self-love and acceptance. This gentle stone soothes emotional wounds, releasing past hurts and replacing them with feelings of forgiveness and peace. It can be particularly helpful for those seeking to heal from heartbreak, grief, or emotional trauma. Rose quartz also promotes feelings of harmony and connection, making it an excellent crystal for relationship healing and strengthening bonds with loved ones. Its loving energy creates a safe and nurturing space for emotional exploration and growth during meditation. Before you begin your crystal meditation, it's essential to create a calming and sacred space where you can relax and connect with the energy of your chosen crystal. Find a quiet corner in your home where you won't be disturbed. Dim the lights or light a candle to create a warm and inviting ambience. You might want to diffuse essential oils like lavender or sandalwood, known for their relaxing properties. Choose comfortable seating, whether it's a cushion on the floor or a chair where you can sit upright with your spine straight. Ensure your clothing is comfortable and loose-fitting. Now that your space is prepared, you're ready to embark on your crystal meditation journey. Cleanse your crystal under running water, visualizing any negative energy being washed away. Find a comfortable seat and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Hold your crystal in your non-dominant hand. Set your intention for the meditation. State it silently or aloud. Focus on your breath and the crystal's energy. Visualize the crystal's energy surrounding you. Continue meditating for as long as you feel comfortable. When ready, gently open your eyes and ground yourself. Remember, meditation is a practice. Be patient and guide your attention back to your breath and the crystal. Crystal meditation offers harmony for your mind, body, and soul. Reduced stress and anxiety. Crystals like amethyst and rose quartz promote relaxation and calm thoughts. Improved focus and concentration. Focusing on breath and crystal energy enhances mental clarity, emotional healing and release. Rose quartz soothes emotional wounds and promotes peace, enhanced empathy and intuition. Amethyst opens the heart chakra, fostering connection. Improved sleep. Crystal meditation promotes relaxation and restful sleep. Reduced physical tension. Deep breathing and relaxation release muscle tension. Section 8. Choosing and caring for your crystals. A practical guide. Choosing the right crystal is a personal journey. Let your intuition guide you. Visit a crystal shop or browse online and see which crystals resonate with you. Hold them in your hand, feel their energy and trust your instincts. Once you've chosen your crystal, it's essential to cleanse it regularly to remove any negative energy it may have absorbed. You can cleanse your crystals in a variety of ways. Running water, by holding your crystal under running water for a minute, visualizing any negativity being washed away. Sunlight or moonlight, by placing your crystal in a windowsill to bask in the sun's or moon's rays for a few hours. And smudging, by passing your crystal through the smoke of burning sage, Palo Santo or cedarwood. Store your crystals in a safe and sacred space where they won't be disturbed. You might want to keep them on your altar, in a special box, or on a shelf in your meditation space. Section 9. Overcoming challenges. Tips for a fulfilling practice. Starting a new practice like crystal meditation can come with its own set of challenges. With patience and perseverance, you can create a fulfilling meditation practice. Challenge. My mind keeps wandering during meditation. Solution. It's normal for the mind to wander. Don't get discouraged. Acknowledge the thought and gently guide your attention back to your breath and the crystal. Try focusing on a mantra or visualization to help quiet the mind. Challenge. I don't feel any different after meditating. Solution. Benefits often unfold gradually. Be patient and consistent. Meditate regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Challenge. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. Solution. There's no right or wrong way to meditate. Find what feels comfortable and beneficial for you. Experiment with different techniques, crystals, and meditation lengths. Trust your intuition. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process and enjoy the ride. Section 10. Creating a crystal meditation space. Enhancing your practice. Creating a dedicated meditation space can significantly enhance your practice by providing a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. This space becomes a visual reminder of your commitment to inner peace and growth. Choose a quiet corner in your home where you won't be disturbed. It doesn't have to be a large space. Even a small corner can be transformed into a serene oasis. Consider incorporating elements that inspire a sense of peace and tranquility. Calming colors. By painting the walls in soothing colors like soft blues, greens, or neutrals. Natural elements. By introducing plants, flowers, stones, or a water fountain to connect with the grounding energy of nature. Soft lighting. By using dimmable lights, candles, or string lights to create a warm and inviting ambience. Comfortable seating. By investing in a comfortable cushion, pillow, or meditation chair where you can sit comfortably with your spine straight. And sacred objects. By personalizing your space with meaningful objects like statues, crystals, inspirational quotes, or images that resonate with you. Section 11. Conclusion. Embark on your crystal meditation journey. As you embark on your crystal meditation journey, remember to approach it with an open mind, a receptive heart, and a sense of curiosity. Allow the crystals to guide you, and trust in the wisdom of your own inner being. With each meditation session, you'll deepen your connection to yourself, cultivate inner peace, and experience the transformative power of crystals. Embrace the journey and enjoy the profound benefits it brings to your mind, body, and soul. The world of crystal meditation is vast and rewarding. There's always something new to discover, and your practice will continue to evolve as you do. Listen to your intuition, explore different crystals, and create a practice that nourishes your soul. May your journey be filled with peace, clarity, and boundless love.